report a solid earnings. I think they're on track to probably to beat their previous guidance, and also that they gave for the fourth quarter, and even for their first quarter. I think we'll continue to see some upside, despite there has been some headwinds about supply side issues. But we expect that they will still probably continue to surprise. And in fact, DeepSeek is a near-term positive, because we've also seen that there's been very strong for their H20 chip coming out of China over the last couple of weeks. So that could also provide some uplift into the upcoming quarter.
Nvidia's stock is surging ahead of its earnings report, but is this just temporary hype, or is something major happening? With AI demand skyrocketing, supply chain issues raising concerns, and deep tech evolving, Nvidia is at the center of the semiconductor industry's future. Will the company crush expectations and drive the market higher, or are there risks investors should pay attention to? Let's break it all down. Welcome to MoneyWise, your go-to channel for stock market insights. Today, we are focusing on Nvidia, a leader in the AI chip industry. With an upcoming earnings report, investors are eager to see if Nvidia can continue its incredible growth. In this video, we will discuss the reasons behind Nvidia's stock rally, the impact of its AI chips in key markets, the role of deep tech and China's AI spending, potential risks, including supply chain constraints, what Nvidia's earnings could mean for the semiconductor industry. Let's dive into the details. Why is Nvidia's stock rising? Before the earnings report, Nvidia's stock has seen a surge in investor confidence. According to Frank, a research analyst at HSBC, one of the main reasons is the strong demand for Nvidia's H20 AI chip in China. Despite US restrictions, Nvidia has managed to maintain significant market share in China. This signals that the company is still generating strong revenue from international markets. Investors see this as a sign that Nvidia may exceed earnings expectations once again. Deep tech, a threat or an advantage? Initially, deep tech advancements were seen as a potential threat to Nvidia, as major companies sought to develop their own AI chips. However, in the short term, deep tech spending is actually benefiting Nvidia. Companies like Alibaba and Tencent are increasing their investments in AI, leading to greater demand for Nvidia's GPUs. Instead of immediately replacing Nvidia's chips with their own, these companies continue to rely on Nvidia for their AI development. This trend highlights an important factor. While custom-built AI chips may be growing in popularity, Nvidia still provides the best AI solutions for many companies. As a result, deep tech is helping drive demand rather than reducing it. Supply chain issues and the Blackwell chip. One of the biggest challenges facing Nvidia is its supply chain. While the company continues to dominate the AI chip market, it is experiencing supply constraints with its latest Blackwell chip. The Blackwell B200 chip is expected to be a major revenue driver in early 2026. However, delays in production and delivery could limit Nvidia's ability to meet the growing demand. To address this issue, Nvidia plans to introduce the MVL rack architecture later in 2026, which could provide an additional boost to revenue. The key question is whether the company can manage these supply chain challenges effectively or if they will slow down growth. Nvidia's impact on the semiconductor industry. Nvidia's earnings report will have broader implications beyond its own stock price. A strong performance could lift the entire semiconductor industry, while a disappointing report may create a negative outlook for the sector. The industry is also seeing a shift, with more companies adopting ASIC chips, such as those produced by Broadcom and Marvell. These specialized chips are gaining popularity for specific AI applications, raising questions about how they will affect Nvidia's dominance. However, Nvidia remains a leader in the high-performance AI chip market. While ASIC chips are becoming more common, they do not fully replace the need for Nvidia's GPUs, which are still the preferred choice for general AI applications. Investors should pay close attention to Nvidia's earnings report and consider several key factors. Strong AI chip demand, particularly in China. Increased capital expenditure in deep tech benefiting Nvidia. Potential supply chain constraints affecting the Blackwell chip. Growing competition from ASIC chip manufacturers. The impact of Nvidia's performance on the semiconductor market. Nvidia remains a dominant force in AI, but challenges such as supply chain risks and increasing competition could shape its future performance. What do you think? Will Nvidia exceed expectations and drive the market higher, or will challenges slow it down? Share your thoughts in the comments. Before you go, be sure to like this video, subscribe to MoneyWise for more stock market insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.